Hey, good morning. Wanted to talk to you about one of our favorite vegetables we like to grow in the garden, and that's going to be kale. This is a blue Scotch kale, and you can see the curly leaves on it. This is one of the easiest plants to grow. They're really healthy for you. You can add that to regular lettuce if you like. We like to take some of these off here, these young ones, and cut it up and make a nice kale salad with cranberries and almonds and kind of a vinaigrette, or like a ginger dressing that you can get at the store. You can make it, but very, very easy to care for. And pruning it off is real simple. Just take a knife or a pair of shears, cut it off. They stay pretty clean. We've got this mulched a few inches here with some bark that we got at a sawmill. But it's a really delicious vegetable. If you haven't tried it, hey, try growing some kale. Very, very easy. The bugs don't go to it. And you just keep cutting off your little pieces here like I'm doing here. And take it up to the house. Some people like to saute a little bit of bacon. Of course, everything with bacon is good, we like. But you take a little bacon and you can break it up and wilt it that way and kind of have a warm salad, or just cook it all the way. But I definitely encourage you, if you haven't tried kale, try it. It's got a lot of great vitamins in it, and a great way to get your greens. So hope this tip helps you, and we'll see you next time.